Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am Pratim, and today in this video I am going to show you the best massage strokes and techniques for a good facial. So let's go and learn it with my wife Athena. Now friends, the first stroke or technique, this is for double chin. Chin area, those who have double chin, this massage technique or stroke is very effective to reduce double chin. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. As you can see, this stroke is like a scissor, and just mildly press while giving the strokes. Do not apply heavy press. This stroke is also to reduce double chin. Now the fingers change are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again friends, apply mild pressure. Now this stroke is for laughing side. Now those who have fine lines around your laughing side, this stroke will help to reduce those lines. These laughing side lines makes your look very odd. Now give this stroke with both the fingers of your hand, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and mildly press it. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, and a mild press. This is another massage stroke for laughing side to reduce fine lines on your laughing side. Remember, on all the strokes, you have to just apply mild pressure. Now this is the stroke for pressure point. This is the stroke for pressure point. Now this stroke, apply mild pressure and press. The strokes will be clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is very helpful for migraine, to reduce migraine. These strokes are very helpful to reduce migraine. Now friends, the main aim of this facial strokes is to activate your nerve points, increase blood circulation, and make your face glow. Now we come to the general strokes. These are the general strokes of a good facial. These strokes are very helpful for lifting your skin, face skin. With age, your skin becomes sagging and your cheekbones are not prominent. These strokes help to lift your facial skin and make your jaws and cheekbones prominent. Again friends, please remember to apply only mild pressure. No facial strokes is done with heavy pressure. Now friends, the next strokes is for dark circles and wrinkles. Now these dark circles and wrinkles around your eyes gives you a very odd look. See, these facial strokes are very soothing, very comfortable. Just apply only mild pressure. It will help to reduce dark circles and wrinkles around your eyes. Now this is eyeball rolling. So this is eyeball rolling. Use your ring fingers of both hands. Now this stroke is called S or 8. As you can see, it forms an S or 8. Just mildly press and release. Press and release. Very mild pressure. Apply very mild pressure. Now this is pinching your eyebrows for wrinkles. This is an anti-wrinkle stroke. This is strokes for eyebrow lifting. These are the strokes for eyebrow lifting. Now this is the pressure point. Strokes for pressure point. Now this is a stroke for your forehead. So this is very helpful to stretch the skin of your forehead. Wrinkles form in forehead, lines come up. The strokes are very useful to reduce those. Again friends, these massage strokes only activates the nerve points. There are numerous nerve points on your face, and these strokes activate those points that increases blood circulation and does make your face glow. Now this is S or 8 strokes around your cheeks. This is called S or 8 strokes. These are general strokes. Now Athena is applying general strokes. Now this stroke is for the pressure point. This is again S or 8 on your forehead. S or 8 strokes. Friends, again remember that you should apply only light pressure. Very mild pressure. Heavy pressure does not do any good. A lot of people think that heavy pressure gives you better results, but that is not the case.
Now again in this stroke, do it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now this is for sagging skin. With age, your skin around this area becomes saggy. So these strokes will help to reduce and tone your skin. Just like this.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.